Hello and welcome to my birthday special part 1. Today I gotta be box opening presents.
From?
You, my boy, the dog, and the cat.
Alright, here's the first one. This one I think is from me.
Doctor Who, the Vincent Special Edition.
Okay, that one is from the dogs. Sorry. Put the paper to the side. Alright. Here you go. I'll open it and I'll tell you who's it from.
Doctor Who is the Madagascar.
Okay, that one's from the cat. Last one. I think this one is from me.
Doctor Who in the beginning.
It's 3 stories, Jeremy, I think.
Yeah, 3 stories.
Well, show all 3 of the movies you got so people can see them. Hold up, one at a time. Okay, you got the vegetation, the Mask of Mangara, and the beginning 3-pack. Wow, that's a pretty cool birthday haul, huh, Jeremy?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, say till next time, sayonara, companions.
Sayonara, companions.